Okay, so we can start today's session. We are again going to have a personalized feedback of all the essays that you have submitted. So we'll start with C1. I'm just going to have a look at those of you who have submitted but I have not graded yet. So let's just go with them. Those who have already submitted and I have graded, it's okay. You can just have a look at others' essays and see what mistakes everyone makes. So you'll get an idea on how to write better. Okay, is Malar there? Kurunji Malar, not there. Lekha Shri, are you there? No. What about Madhumati? Mahalakshmi? Maria? Who is that? Okay, I'll start with Maria. Maria. Is this fully written by you? Where did you get this information about Melissa Zimdars and all? Copy it from Google, huh? Hmm. See, write only things that you know on your own, okay? Because this kind of stuff shows very clearly that you've taken points from the internet. I want you guys to write essays like you actually attend the test. If you attend an exam, how would you write an essay? So if you write like that, I can give you better feedback. Um, Conclusion is very short. Maybe you could have added one sentence more, but otherwise the essay is pretty good. Absolutely fine. So I can give you about 9 or 10 for that. No problem. Right. Another one, Mahalakshmi. No? Mahalakshmi.
Yes, sir.
How many words is this, Mahalakshmi? Do you know how many words this is? Don't know. Is this copied or you have written on your own? From net. What's the point? You would have written on your own. Yeah. There's no point. It's absolutely fine. Essay is absolutely fine, but what is the point in uploading something from the net? Can you write on your own and upload it? We'll check in the next class. Can you write on your own and can you write on your own and upload it? I'll check it in the next class. Okay? Oh, Pushpalata, are you there? Oh. This doesn't look like an essay, Pushpalata. You should not put points like this. You should write only paragraphs. Is this fully written by your own, on your own, or copied? Huh? But the sentences are made by you, is it? Fine. Otherwise, it is okay. How many words is this? Don't know. I gave you a 300 word limit, no? Looks like there's more. Or okay, not an issue, but make sure that you make paragraphs, okay? That's very important, right? Who else is there? Mahalakshmi? Uh, I have, okay, I'll correct your essay in the next class. Madhumati? Malad, huh? Okay. This again looks like you've copied from the net, huh? Have you? Fully written by you, is it? Some points or many points? Okay, lack of privacy. Okay, lack of privacy, capital L is a problem. For teenagers, you have put a capital T, not correct. Okay. Here again, lack of privacy, stalking, all these things need not be capital. Hmm. Bring down the word limit to 300 because you have written 319. Uh, the conclusion, one line is not good. One sentence is not perfect. You need to write 2 or 3 sentences. Otherwise, the essay is pretty fine, no problem. I can give you 8 on 10. Lekha Shri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why are you guys putting attendance in the chat, man? I'll take your attendance at the end of the class. There's no need to put attendance over there. Okay, Lekha Shri. Okay, fine. Hello. This Facebook has to be capitalized. Twitter, LinkedIn, all these are proper nouns. You need to capitalize. This also looks like you've copied from the internet only. I don't know why you guys are doing this. This kind of passive voice sentences are written only by people who write blogs or articles. Okay, I think you're busy watching a movie or a song. Huh? Okay, anyways, please write on your own. There's no point in correcting stuff like this. Okay, anyone else from C1 section? Do you need grading? C1 section. Anyone else? Madhumati. Available? No. Okay, what about the rest in C1 section? Why haven't you submitted? Only 13 out of 31 have submitted. Why is that? This report goes to the placement department. They'll remove your eligibility for placement if you don't submit. Attendance and these submissions for essays and for resume and all that stuff that you do in the soft skills class all matter. Will you submit it today? Can anyone answer? C1 section. Hello. Can you guys hear me?
Sir.
Uh, Submit it today. Okay. Write on your own. Do not copy from the internet. Only if you write on your own, I can give personalized feedback, and take this in the positive manner, because if I give you personalized feedback, you can work on your language, okay, and you can score better in the actual exam. Now it is only not only for Capgemini that you write essays. There are so many other companies. Any company you visit, many of these companies ask for essays. So if you get a personalized feedback, it's much better for you. Okay, let us see C2 section. C2 also only 15 have submitted. What about the rest? Anyone from C2? Ah, so if you have not submitted, today is the last date for submission. Okay. In the next class, we will be grading everything and we will finalize by next class. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. All right. Hemant Chaudhary, are you there? Okay. 398 words. Too much. You have to restrict it to 300 words. Okay. This also looks like you've copied from the net only. Why do you guys do this? I don't. It's fully copied from the net, huh? Hemant? Okay, but it looks like it's copied. I don't know how to grade all this. I don't know why you guys are doing this. But anyways, I can give you only 7 out of 10 because it looks like it's copied. Anyways, so in the future, if anybody asks you to submit, please write on your own. What about Harshit Kumar? Are you there? Harshit Kumar? This is also written by you, huh? Mm. Why? You can't write on your own, is it? You need your friend's help. Okay. And you copied those points, huh? Okay. Okay, as such, the essay is fine, but see, here you have given a space, correct tab you have given, but in only in that paragraph you have given, you have not given for other paragraphs. So you have to give for all paragraphs. Okay, and the word limit is the words number of words is 357, so you need to bring it down to 300. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty fine. I can even give you a 9 out of 10 for that. Okay. Aryan Suhas, are you there? You expect me to believe that all this information is there with you, huh? 3.8 billion users, zero point zero 0.01 per view. See, a normal person doesn't write all these statistics here in an essay. Huh? Don't mention this kind of stuff. Okay? Yeah, because see, you can write majority, minor. If you, even if you write billions of users, I would have believed it. Exactly in 2020, see the figure keeps changing. So if you're writing something approximate, it is fine. Don't mention all this stuff. 564.5 million internet users. Who knows all this? India has to be capitalized. Okay. When you start a sentence, I don't know if it is a typo error or what, but you need to capitalize the S. Mm. After a full stop, you need to give a space. Here also you haven't given. You have to put capital R. Okay. Here also you haven't given a space after full stop. See what happens after full stop and comma. If you do not give a space, these two words are taken as one word in the software. You need your word count to increase, no? So these two again will be taken as one word. So you need to give a space after comma and full stop. Okay, otherwise the essay is good. Uh, what's the number of words? 274. Okay, maybe one sentence more you could have written, but otherwise it's absolutely fine. Essay is good. You can give 90. Okay, right. Mohammed Mushtaq. Yes, sir. Okay. This is wrong language. Okay, n numbers of websites. You need to write. There are numerous websites. Uh, After a comma, do not put a capital B. Suddenly, but is capitalized, some is capitalized. Here, will is capitalized. These are all wrong. Be careful about capitalization. Here also, 10 you have capitalized. Sites are capitalized. Not at all necessary. Okay, it's wrong. Too many capitalization mistakes. So be careful about that. Word number of words is 363, which is too much. Bring it down to 300. No, no, no. It is maximum 300. Okay. The software will not allow you to write more than 300. Hmm. Okay, everywhere. I don't know why are you putting capitals for random words. Only for proper nouns you need to use capitals, man. Do not write capitals for. Do not use capitals for common nouns. Only for proper nouns. Yeah, and beginning of a sentence. Otherwise, essay is pretty good. Uh, can give 8 out of 10. No problem. Not necessary. That's all old style writing, quotations, proverbs, and all that stuff. Not necessary. But you can use idioms and phrases. That's pretty fine. Okay. Right. Uh, Next, Nandini. Are you there? No. Naveen Kumar M. Sir. Copied, huh? From net. Uh, you expect me to believe you know this? 19 to 54 GPA of heavy users was 3.06. How do you know all this, man? Huh? What? What? How can you use these kind of points? See, you can take ideas, but write on your own. Nobody will believe any person to know these statistics here. Am I right? Hmm. How many words does this essay? Otherwise, it's fine, but please don't use these kind of statistics. Okay, it doesn't make sense at all. Can give 9 out of 10. Okay, next, Naveen Kumar S. Are you there? Okay. What is this? And ஐயோ, வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் எழுதுகிற மாதிரி இங்கேயும் எழுதியாச்சு. After yeah, yeah, that I can see. This is at least believable that you have written on your own, because you have made mistakes which a normal person does. Now after full stop over here, please put a space. Okay, everywhere after full stop you have to put space. Here, here, here. See all that stuff. You need to capitalize Facebook, WhatsApp. All these are proper nouns. How many words is the essay? 357. 287. Fine. Nice. Essay is good. Hardly any mistakes. I'll give you full marks. Right. Next. Sai, Prem Sai. Are you there? Oh. Why so many dots, man? After etc. You don't know. Just felt like putting it, so put it. See, actually, it has to be after Twitter, you put a comma, okay, and then a space, and then etc, and only one full stop. Remove these three full stops after that. After etc, even if you are ending a sentence, it has to be only one full stop. Social media is not a proper noun, it's a common noun. No need to capitalize it. Here in the beginning of the sentence, you have to capitalize. This is fine. One second. Few modifications. It should be few is more than one, right? So it has to be modifications, plural. Okay. Yeah. How many words? This is essay. It looks quite short. It's quite short. You need to write a couple of more sentences. Okay. Otherwise, fine. Your essay is good, but since it's less, I'll give you only 80. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else from C2 needs grading?
Sir, kindly check Prasanna Lakshmi. I resubmitted.
Which section are you? Okay, okay, okay. Right. I've given you only 50. So I'll check it. Socialization need not be capitalized. Frequent use is singular, so you need to use shows over here. Okay. Yeah, subject verb agreement. Here again, beyond the disadvantages, space we have. I don't know why there are no spaces over here. Positive impacts again, space. Even here, I don't know. These words are not separated by spaces. I don't know what went wrong. But otherwise, the essay is fine, ma. No worries. But limited to 330 words. I mean, 300 words. You have written 380, 330 plus. Okay, so I can give 8 out of 10 for that. No worries. Yeah. Now, anybody else in C2 section requires grading? Okay, fine. What about the others? See, I want to tell you guys again, those who have joined right now, please make sure that you submit the essays today. Okay, write on your own and submit before end of day today, so we can correct it in the next class. Okay, right. I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up for today. All right. Uh, Pushpalata, Naveen Kumar, Raju, Harshita,
Yes, sir.
Kirtana, Chandra Kirtana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pawan Kumar, Prashant, Balaji, Chetan,
Yes, sir.
Vinay, Kurinji, Kurinji Malar,
Present, sir.
Lekashri,
Present, sir.
Lokesh, Lokeshwari,
Present, sir.
Pawan Sai, Vitesh Reddy, Madhavan, Madhumati, Nageshwaran, Magudeshwaran, Mahalakshmi, Malavika, Subbareddy, Manivannan, Maria,
Present, sir.
Shiva Reddy, Kirti, Aryan Suha,
Present, sir.
Kirti present, huh? Okay. Aryan Suhas present, okay. Meena, Meenakshi, Meena Lochini, Harshit,
Present, sir.
Hemant,
Yes, sir.
Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Sumant, Mohammad Fazil,
Present, sir.
Mohammad Nabil, Mohammad Wasim, Monisha, Krishna Chaitanya,
Yes, sir.
Rishita, Sneha Reddy,
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Mushtaq,
Present, sir.
Mukesh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Pawan Kumar Raju, Mohit, Maitreyan, Naga, Vismita, Nagarjun, Surya Krishna. Who's that? Vismita.
The present, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait. Vismita. Okay. Nagarjun is there? No. Surya Krishna, Nandishwaran, Nandini, Naresh, Prem Sai, Naveen Kumar, MK,
Yes, sir.
Naveen Kumar S,
Sir.
Prasanna Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
Shiva Krishna, Chandrasekhar, Giri Prasad. Okay, right. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.